If you're a small creator and struggling to get more views, I'm going to show you how to use the data in YouTube Studio to make better content. YouTube's algorithm runs on 3 questions. Why do viewers click? Packaging power. What keeps them watching? Hook performance. What makes them pay attention? Audience engagement. So winning on YouTube boils down to transforming data into decisions. Let's start where every view begins. Earning the click. Click-through rate, or CTR, is the scorecard for your thumbnail, title, and topic. How well your video is packaged. It's simply a percentage of how many people clicked your video versus how many people saw your video. It's impressions. You'll find the raw number in your video's analytics under the Reach tab in YouTube Studio. It's best to use your computer because it has advanced features not available in mobile. The big problem is this. Many creators glance at the raw CTR, assume between 2 to 10% is good, and anything above 10% means strong packaging, but that's misleading. The single CTR doesn't show you where you're performing well, and as you get more impressions, CTR usually drops, and this can be demotivating. In other words, without context, that single number can fool you. Drilling into CTR pinpoints where you're winning clicks and losing potential views. Scroll down to the How Viewers Find This Video section and click See More. This shows the CTR for each traffic source on YouTube. Plus, it gives you a breakdown of views by traffic source and shows you the average view duration, or AVD, of each click. We'll use this later when we talk about how to increase watch time. Use this data during the design phase to make strategic packaging decisions. Key questions to ask yourself are: will my video leverage the power of search by answering a specific question clearly in my title and thumbnail? Does my packaging spark enough curiosity to earn impulse clicks that dominate browse features? Are my topics trending and strong enough to pull a viewer deeper into the rabbit hole of the suggested feed? Am I rewarding loyal viewers with a consistent style and satisfying content on my channel page? CTR is the key to strong packaging. Remember, if people don't click, they'll never realize how great your video is. CTR tells you if they showed up. Retention tells you if they regret it. Let's see what your first 30 seconds says about the strength of your hooks. You can track the performance of your hooks in 2 places. First, inside the video itself. Go to Analytics, Overview, then scroll down to Key Moments for audience retention. Here, you can zoom in on the first 30 seconds and see exactly where viewers start dropping off. If you want a snapshot of your best and worst videos across the whole channel, from the main dashboard, click Go to Channel Analytics, click Content, Videos, scroll to Key Moments for audience retention, and make sure Intros is highlighted. This ranks which intros hook viewers the longest. Now, compare your top intros to your bottom intros. What's different? Key questions to ask yourself are: does my hook deliver on the promise of the title and thumbnail? Do I set up a clear problem or curiosity gap that pulls people in? Do I do both these things as fast as possible? Personally, I use ChatGPT for this. I paste my best and worst intros into ChatGPT and ask it to identify the structural differences, propose a rewrite template I can reuse, suggest specific cuts or earlier payoffs for the weaker intro. Then I double down on the winning format, pacing, and framing and rewrite my next intro using that template. If you can consistently keep 70% or more viewers watching at 30 seconds, you've basically mastered the hook. Alright, we've kept them watching for 30 seconds, but the algorithm loves minutes, not moments. Now what? Remember average view duration, AVD? We're going to use it to beef up your total watch time. Open the same retention graph from our hook analysis, click See More, and let's dig deeper. Here you'll see AVD, the average watch time per viewer. The curve shows exactly where viewers pay attention, rewatch, or bounce. Flat lines mean viewers are locked in. A gradual decline shows attention is fading slowly. Spikes indicate rewatches or shares. And dips are skips or exits. Just like CTR, context matters. AVD alone doesn't tell the whole story. Use the segments dropdown and compare subscribers versus non-subscribers or new viewers versus returning viewers to see which audiences stay engaged and which drop off. This helps you see what works for each audience group so you can make smarter choices and boost overall watch time. Zero in on the dips and skips. If a section doesn't add value or move the story forward, cut, condense, or reorder it. When you see a gradual decline, refresh the pacing. Add B-roll, on-screen text, sound effects, or transitions to reset attention. Key retention questions to ask when designing your next video. Am I still delivering on the title and thumbnail promise as the video progresses? Do I tease what's coming next and maintain curiosity between segments? Is my audio crisp and consistent? Does my editing style and pacing match what my audience expects for this topic? The uncomfortable truth is YouTube feeds on data, not feelings. Don't be discouraged though. The good news is, what gets measured gets improved. The metrics we covered today gives you leverage. They help you improve your packaging, level up your hooks, and dramatically boost watch time on purpose, not by luck. Remember, context matters. Avoid chasing vanity metrics. Raw views and subscriber counts don't tell you why a video worked or how to reproduce that success. Beware of analysis paralysis. Don't be afraid to take action even if the numbers aren't where you want them to be yet. Give yourself permission to research, experiment, fail, and learn. The key is iteration. As you repeat this cycle and collect more data, you'll start to see the patterns and building blocks of videos that consistently win on YouTube. Understanding YouTube analytics is only part of the puzzle. The next step is improving the quality of your videos. If you want to learn how the YouTube algorithm defines a quality video and what to improve next, check out this next video here.